Hey guys, are you ready? If you're cruising in 2026, watch this. I'm counting down 10 cruises you should absolutely avoid and exactly what to book instead. The world of cruising is bigger than ever. More ships, more itineraries, more deals hitting your inbox every single day. It can be overwhelming. It's easy to make a mistake that could turn your dream vacation into a total nightmare. I've spent years traveling the world, talking to people, and seeing firsthand what makes a trip incredible versus what makes it a waste of money and time. This isn't about naming and shaming specific cruise lines just for clicks. This is about being smart. Look past the glossy brochures and the too-good-to-be-true prices. We're going to break down the types of cruises that consistently lead to disappointment, hidden costs, insane crowds, rushed schedules, questionable safety. My goal is to give you the inside scoop, the kind of advice you'd get from a friend who's been there and done that, so you can navigate the booking process with total confidence. So, get ready to take some notes, because I'm not just telling you what to steer clear of. For every cruise to avoid, I'm giving you a better, smarter, and more rewarding alternative. Alright, kicking off our list at number 10, the overbooked Caribbean party weekend. You know exactly what I'm talking about, those super cheap 3-night sailings on the biggest megaships out of Florida or Texas. But here's the reality, packed to the brim. Shoulder to shoulder on the pool deck, an hour-long wait for the water slide. Lines for the buffet down the hallway. It's a floating nightclub. Great if that's your vibe. A shock if you wanted peace. Day 1. Finding your way. Day 2. Rushed port with thousands. Day 3. You're exhausted. Lines use these to fill ships and boost drink packages and casino play. You spend your precious vacation just waiting, for food, drinks, elevators, tenders. Book a 7-night Caribbean on a premium line like Celebrity or Princess. Slower pace, thinner crowds, multiple islands with full days in port, better food, you'll actually relax and return refreshed. Coming in at number 9, the Flash Sail River Cruise, Danube Dreams for $999 on. Sail the Rhine for an unbelievably low price, bait and switch, port fees, taxes, daily gratuities and excursions quickly inflate the fare. Often you get only a basic walking tour. Castles, wine tastings, concerts are extra. Smaller cabins, inconsistent food, stretched cruise, the low sticker price shows on board. Your relaxing trip becomes constant math. Book established operators with transparent pricing. AMA Waterways, UniWorld, Viking River. Excursions and wine with meals often included. You'll know the total before you leave home and actually enjoy Europe's rivers without reaching for your wallet. At number 8, let's talk the Mediterranean. Budget 4 to 5 night hops on older mid-sized ships. They promise Rome, Florence, Barcelona in less than a week. Dock far from centers, bus in, then only 4 to 5 hours. Half your day is transit, oversold excursions, 50 to a bus, rushing from photo op to photo op. No time for cafes or back streets, snapshots, not memories. Choose 10-14-day itineraries on smaller, destination-focused lines. Azamara's Destination Immersion, with late nights and overnights. Or Silversea and Seabourn for in-depth luxury. Fewer ports, deeper memories. Number 7. Expedition cruising. Amazing, but be vigilant. Avoid older small ships with spotty safety or service records. Retrofits done on the cheap show in the details. In remote regions, ship quality and maintenance are critical. Watch for mechanical issues, heating plumbing problems, outdated navigation, overstretched crews, chaotic shore ops, and inexperienced guides diminish the experience. Choose reputable operators with modern, purpose-built ships and ITO Air Eco membership. Hurtigruten Expeditions and Lindblad lead in capability. For luxury, Silversea Expeditions and Scenic Eclipse are stellar. Your peace of mind is priceless. At number 6, repositioning cruises. Great value if you know the trade-offs. Off-season crossings mean big swells and storms. If you get seasick, it's misery. Decks pools often closed, activities canceled, a week where you barely go outside, scaled-back entertainment. The ship feels in transit. Bad weather can cancel ports. If you reposition, choose calmer routes like the Panama Canal or the California coast, or book purpose-built itineraries in shoulder months, May or September in the Med. Great weather, fewer crowds, better pricing. Number 5. Avoid ships, routes with persistent poor reviews for food and housekeeping. Not a one-off, dozens or hundreds over months. Cold buffet, unclean cabins, chaotic dining room. Often older ships, budget routes, thin staffing, supply chain issues. Bad food and a dirty room can derail your vacation fast. Book consistent lines. Read recent reviews on Cruise Critic for the exact ship. Level up, Viking Ocean for dining excellence, or Regent Seven Seas for end-to-end all-inclusive peace of mind. Number 4, brand new inaugural routes on mass market lines, ports unprepared, docking hiccups, supply snags, local tours still learning, crew learning timing and flow, itineraries feel rushed, expect hiccups, delays, last-minute changes. You're the beta tester. My advice, wait 1 full season. Let them refine schedules, port ops and excursions. Then read Season 1 reviews. If you want a region like Asia, book a line with a decade there, not the first-timer. Number 3, cheap all-inclusive that isn't. Often basic drinks only and only at meals. Cappuccino, extra. Pool cocktail, extra. Bottled water ashore, extra. Daily gratuities still added. For a family of 4, that's hundreds on top. For true all-inclusive, Seabourn, Silver Sea, Regent. Premium spirits, wines, dining, gratuities, often excursions. Solid mid-range, Oceania's O-Life choice. Pick airfare, excursions, or beverage package. Higher sticker, better outcome, peace of mind. Number 2, the Drain the Ship holiday party sailing. New Year's Eve, spring break, 2 to 4 nights on the biggest ships engineered for a blowout. Imagine the most crowded nightclub, and you can't leave for 3 days. Families with kids or couples seeking calm will feel out of place and overwhelmed. Rowdy behavior stretches crews, service dips. Adults wanting a stylish party without kids. Virgin voyages, adults only, fun, great scene. For quiet celebration, Azamara or Viking Ocean. Families, Disney Cruise Line for magical holidays. Number 1, polar or remote adventures with inexperienced or unaccredited operators. Flashy sites and cut prices can't replace hard-won expertise. These are extreme environments. Without veteran captains, ice pilots, and tested protocols, failures can be catastrophic. Permits, environmental standards, and expert guides matter for safety, ethics, and what you actually learn and see. Book pioneers, Quark Expeditions, Hurtigruten Expeditions, Lindblad Expeditions, IAATO ACO members with modern ships and elite teams. Yes, they cost more. You're paying for unparalleled expertise and your safety. This is the one trip of a lifetime you can't afford to get wrong. So, there you have it. From crowded party boats to risky polar gambles, that's my countdown of the 10 cruises to avoid in 2026. Crowds, hidden fees, rushed ports, safety risks. The key, look beyond the headline price and do your research. Choose a vetted operator that matches your style. It's the difference between disappointment and a lifetime memory. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell. I post weekly cruise tips so your next trip is the right one. I'm always in the comments.